problem. Me did fear consider like that, I said, Lord, I'll never like that.
Yes.
And me I try a little harder this year by working because my house have been burned down in December.
Oh, you lost your house in December?
The 26th, so Boxing Day.
Where is your house located?
It's in the lane here.
Get a little everything Jamaican. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so right now, so as soon as we upload a new video you will be notified. So today we will be journeying into the parish of Manchester in the district of Colleyville, and we will be talking to a female farmer. She's going to talk to us about her love for farming and the challenges she faced as a farmer. So do journey with us and do enjoy the ride.
This is Irish potato.
Okay.
So we get it mold.
And that's what you're doing now?
Molding it, yeah.
Okay.
That is when you start beer now, you have a better bearing, and when you put the dirt on the root,
yes,
you have a better bearing.
Yes.
That you have space where you can spread out that beer.
Oh.
Things like this, you know.
Yes.
And I don't get no much bearing, so when you put the dirt on the root,
right. It helps. Okay. So how long the Irish potato take to come in?
Irish potato take 3 months.
Okay, and within that time, how many times you have to mold it?
We mold it only one time.
Okay.
So we are on the third spray now.
Okay.
So you have to spray it.
Right.
So we are on the third spraying. So it come up that you can get the molded now. So it's only one molded.
Okay.
But we have at least about, what much spraying leave, Ellie? About 5 or 3? About 4 to 5 spraying leave.
Wow. So in total that's about how many times?
7 times. 7 to 8 times.
Okay. Okay, so what you use to spray it?
We use diatine, when I mean, and what's the other one name? Glider. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, not really. This spraying is not really for insect, it's to keep the leaf hard. That burn down.
Okay.
Burn down. Like if it burn down, you're not gonna get a bearing. Just keep it up like this, you have to spray it.
Okay.
It's not really for insect spray. Irish potato spray is not for insect.
Okay.
To keep it green and keep it that burn down, that it not be properly.
Oh.
If it's not call you now, we're not gonna get a beer now. That is great. I will spray every Sunday.
Wow. So how long when you're spraying, how early you come out and how long it take you to spray it?
Every 8 days.
Every 8 days you spray it.
Yes.
So like say you come out in the morning now, like Sunday morning. What time you come out?
We use at least 4 pumps of water to spray all of it.
All of this.
Like now, next week, leave them have a bigger, more the leaf bigger, it take more spray.
Yeah, and more
probably
time.
Next week it takes 6 pump or 5 pump.
Oh, okay. So that take you how long for the day? So if you come out like 6 o'clock, what time you finish?
Before 7.
Oh, so you do it
really
fast,
take
man.
Time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like half hour.
Yeah. Okay.
Half hour spraying.
Wow. There's a lot of potato this morning.
It is 4 bags of fine seed.
4 bags.
4 bags of 50 pounds fine seed.
Okay.
And the 4 bags is 200 pounds.
Okay. So
the land just like how you see plow over there. Like how you see plow over there, you plow with the land. Did they burn out the plant next month?
Okay.
So next month you chop the jill and drop the ginger through. I mean, how ginger plant now? You have to plant from bottom. From bottom, so you chop this row, drop the ginger in it. You will be there to cover that one. Chop the next row.
Okay.
Chop in that one, you understand? Yes. That is how we plant ginger.
Yes. So how long have you been doing farming?
Long? All my life, I'm in a workout.
Okay, so you've always been doing farming.
Gun is here and gun is other. I'm going the other way.
Yes, and it's something that you enjoy.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Very much. My father and mother grew up in farming and that's what I do also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how is the market? Is there a market for the Irish potato?
Yeah, because normally probably maybe they just want to dig in and get the same place and I go
Oh wow.
pass by it.
Yes.
Drive past and see and buy it. I sell it to the Likkle.
Okay.
And I take it to Coronation myself.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Okay, so you're an all-rounder.
Yeah.
So based on what, because you've been doing farming for a number of years, all your life you say?
Yeah.
So based on how do you find it though? Is it something that people can venture into? You think it's profitable?
I tell you, farming is the key. I mean, I see we no other work or job would have better than farming.
Yeah.
Although I farm only ground, I farm like pigs, because I have pigs, I have 6 over the house now.
Yes.
I do chicken also.
Okay, so you're an all-rounder, you do everything in farming basically.
Everything. Anyway, we have cows here and we so.
Okay.
So I farm everything.
Okay. So you have any challenges? What you find most challenging about when it comes to farming? You know, any difficulty you face in terms of, well, you just talk about the market. Is there any time when you produce something and you find that
you can't sell?
Yes.
Yes. Enough time, but you still can't give up.
Yes, that's true.
Give up. And we just hear a talk a while ago say, we better look from back and when we start selling potato, I'm not going to say I'm going to dig and go store.
Right.
I'm sell same time.
Yes.
Even if it's cheap, I'll deal no one dig and sell same time.
Yes.
Because storing the potato is Jane. You must go lighter for the Jane. Digging it like this is fresh, you must heavier.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
We
good.
can sell same time. Enough time you plant, man, because normally me plant 2 tin of sweet pepper and then this land and the whole life dead.
Yeah.
So you still not going to give up, you have to just
Keep going
continue
on.
doing what you want to have to do. Yeah.
So you find that people respond to you different to being a female farmer?
Yeah. I've got a lot of time, enough respect.
What are some of the things that they say to you when this?
Enough time, all people we have plant and I say, stop and talk to.
Yes.
Madam, I love what you do. Me grateful to see what you're doing because no people not do them. Enough woman not do it. Man not do it much more woman.
So you get a lot of admiration. Yes. That's very good.
Keep me more interested in what I'm doing.
Yes. So a lot of female farmers, you find a lot of female farmers in this area?
Yeah. Okay. If you go back to the lane, that is only when you try in the back of the silent road.
Oh, that's a lane.
Yes. And when you catch at the front gate, so here we have to pick a potato, sweet Irish potato like this one.
Yes.
That's one lady here.
Okay.
She do a shop and so on.
Yes.
Interesting man.
Nice.
Sometimes it's a chemical as well.
Expensive.
Yeah. When you have to do, you know?
Yes, that's true. So, in terms of the fertilizer and so on, you know, the price increases and the pandemic, how has that affected you?
Really, we have to say, I have to say, it's still hard and it's rough, but you still have to just go through it, get at it. And you want it, so you still have to do it. You have to press on.
And you say you're doing
planting the potato, you know, you have to plant it with liza. So it makes sense to get the potato, plant it, and now consider where you're gonna get the liza to liza it. So you have to make sure you get the liza and the potato first before you start it.
Yes.
Normally we plant it with the Irish, with the liza, you know. You don't liza it again when you plant it. When I chop the jill and put in the potato, you dash the lighter through. Then you cover back the jill, potato and the lighter.
Okay.
And the lighter is already the lighter.
Yes.
But probably if the tree can see the lighter, you're going to have the lighter.
Yes.
And I try a little harder this year by working because my house has been burned down in December.
Oh, you lost your house in December?
26th on Boxing Day.
Where's your house located?
It's in the lane here.
Okay, so where are you living now? It burnt down in total?
Completely, you have to lift on the old structure.
Oh, nice.
The water wet the wall with the heat, so it crack up the wall. So you have to lift it down completely and build it all over again.
Okay. So where are you living now?
I stopped by one of my neighbors.
Okay. So if it is that anybody should see this and want to assist, how can they find it? State your name and a number at which they can reach you and so on if they want to reach out and assist in some way.
My name is Likkle Gail, and my telephone number is 806-3414. If you want to reach me, you can reach me by that number.
Yes, and tell them what you would want them to assist you with.
I'd like them to assist me with like materials and even furniture if they have it also.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have nothing, everything burned, everything.
Okay, you have children?
Yes, I have 7.
Okay.
7 and 9 of us was in the house at that time.
Oh.
When it burned out. Yeah.
Okay. Nobody got hurt? Though?
Nobody got hurt.
Okay.
Everyone was alive and well. Yeah.
So you know what started the fire? What happened?
It low circuit. Like from an extension, overheat, but beside the curtain, so it blazed to the curtain and then catch a hole. None of us wasn't in the house at the time. Only my daughter was in the hall.
Yes.
But when she found out that fire is in the house, the whole roof was really and blazed. So we couldn't get out nothing at all.
Oh my God.
It was value at least 12 million.
Oh nice, yeah, and you lost everything. Right, so you're basically now just depending on the produce from the farm.
Yes, to get back.
Yes. Wow.
Because this Irish potato money, it was from a chicken. So I don't have no current and nothing. So I say instead of raising some chicken, just put the chicken money back in the farm.
Yes.
To get back some.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I don't have any chicken in now.
Okay, because you'd have used that money to put into the farm.
So, yeah.
Yes, makes sense. Okay. But how have you received any assistance whatsoever as it relates to your house?
I told you, they come. Ministry of Labor come. And then do whatever they need to do. The MP come and then,
Yes.
Nothing
so far.
Nothing.
Okay.
I called. I went to Ministry of Labor and I do a sign on there for a $50,000 grant.
Right.
From January. It's March.
Yes. And you haven't heard anything.
I called last month and they say there's nothing there. So I don't know. I'm just not.
Yeah.
Just a try do me have to do. Yeah.
So if you were to say anything to any of those representatives that came to visit, what is it that you'd want to say to them now as it relates to them coming and you not receiving any assistance?
I have their number,
Yes.
I have their number. I have the number. I told you I called Ministry of Labor and they said nothing coming as yet.
Okay, so you're pretty much waiting to see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they said they will call me when they get through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, thank you so much, for accommodating us.
Yeah.
And we hope that you'll receive help as it relates to your house.
Yeah.
And I must say to you that I really admire you and the work that you do, because I'm sure it's not easy to do farming, because here you are in the hot sun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we do that piece yesterday.
Okay, you did that yesterday.
We did this piece today. We're not gonna stay whole day. We're gonna do that piece probably tomorrow.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So thank you for talking to us, Miss Likkle.
You're welcome.
Yes. And Mr. Young. Mr. Young, thank you for accommodating us today. All right, sir. Yes.